In this very important reaction you are going to get in nucleophilic reaction, that is Chichi-Babin reaction, which will be used for 5 marks for you, very important this is. So here coming to nucleophilic reaction, let us take the pyridine, and in the presence of KOH under heating condition, so you will be getting here OH will be added. Okay, OH will be added. So this is in enol form. Enol form means what? Here one double bond should be there, one OH should be there. When you are rearranging this molecule, you will be getting the keto form, double bond O you will be getting. So this is about one reaction. This is a nucleophilic reaction, this is also. And next one, when you take C6H5Li, okay, minus LiH will be lost, you will be getting the C6H5 phenyl pyridine, and also in the place of C6H5 you can add C4H9Li, so or you will be getting C4H9, whether these two reactions can takes place. Now important reaction is Chichi-Babin reaction. So here when you take pyridine plus Na plus NH2 minus, so here what happens means, when you are turning bond here negative charge, here positive charge you are getting, means N minus. So this NH2 minus is there, no, it will come and add to the NH2 minus, and here H plus, there will be forming of Na plus as salt, so minus NaH will be lost. So whenever losing, this bond will come inside, NH2. So this is about what? Chichi-Babin reaction here. NaNH2 means sodamide, this is okay. When we are adding sodamide to the pyridine, you will be getting the 2-amino pyridine, means at second position only, no, it is adding. This is also at second position, this is also at second position, means what happening here, nucleophilic substitution reactions are taking place only at the second position reactions. Not only this, one more reaction we can take, reduction reactions. So when you are taking pyridine in the presence of sodium or alcohol, means 6 hydrogens we are adding here, so you will be getting here NH, means piperidine, means H2 molecules is going to add here. So there is no double bonds here, there is a mistake in your material, check it once. So there is a bond here, so that one you should not write. So this is the molecule, 6 hydrogens we are adding in the presence of Na, so this one you will be getting piperidine. Not only this, in the presence of nickel also you will be getting the 3H2, that is piperidine. Okay, so next this one we call it as reduction reaction. Reduction means what? Here addition of hydrogens. So addition of hydrogens we are doing, 6 hydrogens we are adding, so that's why the bonds are breaking. Here one double bond breaks, here one double bond, here one double. Wherever we are breaking bonds, there is an addition of hydrogens is taking place. So there is no double bonds in the piperidine, only NH you will be having. So this is the reduction reaction. And next one, pyridine you are going to take, and when you are treating with HI molecule, 10 moles of HI in the presence of 300 degrees centigrade, means there will be loss of 5I2 molecule, means 10 I will be lost. So there will be forming of pentane. Plus NH3 molecule will be lost. See here I am taking how many molecules? 10 moles of HA I am taking. So there will be a formation of pentane and ammonia will be lost. So these are the preparations of the, these are the nucleophilic substitution reactions here. This is the reduction reaction and this is also meant for reduction reaction. Okay, coming to oxidation reactions. Coming to oxidation reaction, we are taking pyridine plus CH3COOH. So generally carboxylic acid means 2 O's we are going to get, but I am writing here 3 O's. Why? Because this is a per-acetic acid. This one we call it as per-acetic acid. Per is nothing but more number of oxygens we are there. So you will be getting here O minus. O is going to come and add, and finally CH3COOH. Oxidation means what here? Addition of oxygens. The one oxygen is added to pyridine. Okay. So here pyridine N oxide form, remaining acetic acid. This is about preparations of the pyridine. So properties of the pyridine. Preparations we have seen. Coming to properties, electrophilic substitution reactions will take place at only 3rd position and 5th position. Coming to nucleophilic substitution reactions, it will take place at 2nd position and 4th position. Reduction means there will be a adding of hydrogen will take place. Oxygen means addition of oxygen going to take place. So this is about pyridine. So your unit is completed. Monday you are going to have exam on aromaticity of furan, thiophene and pyrrole. Thank you.